Striax Luscious Long Conditioner as best conditioner for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Striax Luscious Long Conditioner leaves your hair shiny, healthy and bouncy. The conditioner is a blend of flaxseed protein and vitamin E with no paraben. This revitalizing blend of effective ingredients restores the natural moisture of your strands, giving you silky and smooth hair. It helps maintain pH balance and will help you on your journey to longer, stronger and more radiant hair. Whether you have fine, thin, medium, coarse, dry, frizzy, sleek, straight or wavy hair, Striax Luscious Long Conditioner is for you. Striax Luscious Long Conditioner is best conditioner for hair care. Condition your hair with flaxseed protein and vitamin E enriched luscious long conditioner, which directly hydrates and restores the natural moisture level of your scalp. This super hydrating formulation leaves the hair full-bodied, vibrant and shining. This is a perfect solution for your dry and frizzy hair. Striax Luscious Long Conditioner makes hair smell great and stay lustrous for long. The Silicone Actives formulation conditions and strengthens your hair and provides them the hydration and elasticity that they need. This best conditioner is a natural hair detangler that prevents locks and frizz, and provides soft, smooth, and shiny hair. Deep condition your hair and protect them from damage to get smoother hair with the Striax Luscious Long Conditioner. With its silicone actives, it helps restore health of your hair and nourishes its every strand to leave your hair straighter and shinier. Regular usage makes hair healthy and full without disturbing the pH balance of your scalp. Striax Luscious Long Conditioner hydrates and nourishes to transform dry, lifeless hair to soft and lustrous in just one wash with our Silicone Actives formulation. The combination of active ingredients provides intense hydration to hair shaft and make them more manageable. It also prevents loss of moisture from hair and nourishes your locks. This revitalizing blend of effective ingredients restores the natural moisture of your strands, giving you silky and smooth hair. Striax Luscious Long Conditioner as best conditioner for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.